AI is going to come replace the physical labor jobs.
Artificial intelligence is to find anomalies in the market.
Is actually going to be built by AI engineers.
AI is taking over the world. It can drive cars, it can make full-blown businesses for you, it can create videos, it can do basically everything. And I thought, if AI is so smart, why can't it just trade for me profitably? And as a day trader for 7 years, I need to figure out if this thing is smarter than myself and can trade better than me. So I gave it a few $1,000s, I had it trade for me, and the results were something I never expected. Stick around to the end of the video because I may have found the next best day trading strategy that literally anyone can do. All right, so the market opened about 20 minutes ago. It's currently 9:50. You can see I'm just looking at Meta right now. We have Tesla, AMD, a few other names on the watch list. And I also have my broker pulled up right here. So you have Thinkorswim for my broker. I'm actually in a trade right now. Now, I want to keep this trade separate from this entire video. This is a swing trade that I have going on. I'm currently down $1,000 on it, but just keep in tight with that one. Just have my stop loss in place. So if it hits, it hits. But nonetheless, I want to focus on what we're going to do today, which is trading using AI. I'm just going to tell an AI chatbot to basically tell me what to trade. We're going to have some fun with it and see what we can do. So what I have pulled up right here is ChatGPT. This is very well known. I'm sure you guys know this. And this is what I'm going to use. So I'm basically going to just do some test runs, see if we can do it, because I'm pretty sure if I say, hey, give me buy or sell signal for Tesla, it's going to say something like, hey, I can't make trades for you. Or maybe it can. I don't know. So it looks like it's giving me some technical analysis. So what we're going to do is have it learn and trade for us using technical analysis, take a trade on it, and go from there. So it looks like right here it's actually asking for Tesla's live data for a specific signal. I'm going to say yes. I don't even know if it can figure that out or look it up. It looks like it can. So we're going to see if this thing can actually trade for us. And wow, I didn't even know it can do this. This is pretty cool. So it actually shows all this different stuff. Fundamentals, conclusions. So we have all this data. We have technical analysis, support levels, resistance levels. Here's what I'm going to say. I'm just going to say, hey, give me a day trade I can take on Tesla right now. And we're going to go ahead and see if this can go ahead and give us a trade. So boom, levels to watch, 388. It says the support. Let me just see if this is even in the right. Wow, right on the dot, right at 388. Okay, so 388 is going to be our support. Intraday low, resistance 399.16. Key pivot is 396. Cool. So as a trade setup, boom, buy entry. If Tesla breaks above 399 with volume, that's what we want to buy. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this out here. We're going to go 399. I think it's a 399.16. Should be right around here. So right around the high, right around today's high. It's basically doing an opening range breakout strategy, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and make this green, just so it's my buy signal. So if I go back, it says entry is above there with strong volume. Stop loss can be at 397, which is right, like very underneath it. Target is 402 to 404. 402, 404. Okay, so not bad at all. Confirmation, we want to make sure the breakout has higher than average volume. We'll use a volume indicator. We'll simply just look at the volume down here. A reversal trade. So if Tesla fails to hold 396 and breaks below 394 with high volume, which we've already done, then we want to go ahead and sell, okay? And it has some indicators for us to use. Don't really need to look at this because it looks like Tesla we already hit the lows and the highs, right? We already broke our highs and broke our lows. So I'm going to give a few other stocks. We're just going to use AMD, Meta, Amazon, just the big name stocks I have on my watch list. We're going to see what it can do. So we're going to say do the same for AMD. And see if it can give us a trade on AMD. Now, how much capital am I actually going to want to put into these trades? Well, I have about 10K in the account. I have about 2,000 or 3,000 right now going towards this SOUN trade. So I'll probably end up putting it at around like $2,000 to $3,000 per trade. I'm gonna try and get 2 trades for you, and we're gonna see if ChatGPT can make us some money today. It's gonna be a lot of fun, and see if we can actually do this. All right. So AMD, same thing. Gives a chart that isn't really loading right there. Okay, so we're looking at AMD. So it says declines, key support level around 120. Let me go ahead and see what AMD is doing. We're way below 120. Oh my God, this thing is going crazy. 130 resistance, way higher. All the way up there. Looks like this thing may be delayed. I don't know what it's doing. So we're going to try another stock. Let's go over to Amazon or Shopify. So same for Amazon. We're going to say give me an exact buy and sell. One where price hasn't already passed support or resistance level. I don't know. I'm just going to test that and see what this can do for us. I think it'll be pretty fun. So January 10th, 2025. Let's see. All right. So we can see trade setup, buy entry trigger. If Amazon breaks above 227.47, let me go see what Amazon's up. 227.47 is all the way up here. I don't even know if we're going to reach that today. Sell would be below 209.26, also very far down. We're going to go ahead and do this. We're just going to say those entries are so far away. Price may not even hit it today. Give me a closer trade to take. Now, obviously, I'm like being a little more exaggerated to try and just get a trade out using AI. Like, obviously, I could sit here and wait for the ones it wants me to do. But let's see, intraday, 218.50 support. Okay, we're actually at that right now. So 218.50 right there. And then we have 221 is our resistance right around there, 221. All right, so that's what it's saying. If Xenon breaks above 221, we want to buy. If Xenon falls below 218.50 with strong volume, we want to sell after confirmation. All right, so we actually did break down it with increased volume right here. You can see that. Stop loss is going to be 219.60, which would be right there. Okay, so it actually looks like we're going to get an entry here. We broke down through it with strong volume right here, right here. If we go on to 5 minutes, it's a little bit easier to see. Let's see that increased volume on the 5 minutes. We're actually pulling back down to it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and actually look to get into a short position on Amazon. Oops, I got to see what option should I get on it. I need to get some options. That's got to tell me what to do. So breaks below. Give me the call options. We're looking for puts. There we go. Sell opportunity. Okay, at the money or slightly out the money puts, weekly expiration. So 217.5 put expiring this Friday. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's get onto it. So we're going to go to Amazon. We're going to go 217.5 expiring this Friday, which is today. It's a daily entry. So right there, these are at about 73 cents. We're going to go ahead and buy these. We're going to go ahead and get 10 actually, screw it. We're going to get 20 contracts, all right? We're going to get 20 contracts. We're just going to market buy. If I just want to make sure and go back. Yep, so we broke through with strong volume. We're coming back up to this resistance, or sorry, the support, previous support that broke. We're going to look for a move lower. I'm going to go ahead and buy. Boom, confirm, send. We're in. Boom, we're in. I'm a little bit scared. I'm a little bit nervous. Not sure what's going to happen. Again, disregard this SOUN position. Amazon, we're currently in. We're up $10. So let me go ahead and refigure out where my stop loss, where my take profit should be. So I believe it was right here. Yeah, Amazon falls with strong volume. Entry price 218.40, which we got a little bit higher, so around 218.70, so not bad. Let me actually just draw my little short position here. So we got in right around there. So its target is going to be 216.50, which is all the way down here. And then our stop loss is going to be 219.60. 219.60, so right there. So it's going for about a 2R trade. Pretty solid, not bad at all. And I think we caught this at a pretty good time and a pretty good entry. If we go ahead and check, you can see already we're up $200, which is insane. We're already up $200. I can tell I'm already getting emotional. I want to get out of this thing, just lock it up right there, take my $200 and walk away. But I got to follow the plan. I got to let this trade play out. Got to let it do its thing. So we're going to let this cook. We're going to let it do its thing. I'm just going to add in alerts right around here at my my stop loss and right around here at my take profit. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and see how this trade plays out. Again, ChatGPT versus the stock market. It's going to be really fun. Right now, it's working in our favor. We're up $330, which is incredible. So we're going to go ahead and see if it can do it. In the meantime, I want to take another trade. This thing's already working. I'm already getting FOMO. I want to get into another trade here. So I'm going to see. We're going to go to, let's see, should we go to Shopify? Should we go to NVIDIA? Let's go to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is a strong name. Let me just mark this out. I gotta keep this on watch. I got too many things going on. So we're gonna bring Amazon over here on the left-hand side. We're gonna bring up NVIDIA over here on the right. We're gonna see if we can take a trade on NVIDIA. All right, so same thing. Make me a trade idea for NVIDIA. Boom. All right, so to analyze NVIDIA, we can see support is at 132, 130, psychological level resistance. So it looks like ChatGPT just wants to do support resistance. Let's see if we can do something different. Give me a trade idea right here that doesn't involve support or resistance, right? We're just looking for something a little bit different. We want to see what ChatGPT can do. We want to see what AI can do for us. And oh my God, Amazon actually may hit our take profit in a few minutes here. We're already up $1,000 on this trade. This is crazy. Hopefully they can go ahead and hit my take profit. I'm going to wait. Okay, I want to take it right now, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to let the trade play out, let it do its thing, which could be insane. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can get it. It looks like it's going to be a $1,500, $2,000 gain. I don't want to get my hopes up though. Let's wait for it to happen. But ChatGPT, Let's go back. NVIDIA. So momentum breakout with VWAP and moving averages. All right. So cool. So VWAP, EMAs, MACD, volume, a lot of different indicators here. So NVIDIA price above the VWAP, 9 to 21 EMA. So now what we got to do, actually, guys, this may hit my take profit in a minute here. But while it's getting up, I'm going to get my indicators up. So we have VWAP right there. We have exponential. We have two of these, so we have the 9 and the 15. So one of them's already in the 9, or did it say the 15? The 9 and the 21, there we go, sorry. We're going to make this to 21, give this a little bit of a different color. Make this like purple, and then beautiful, all right? Now, I'm going to pause on this because NVIDIA's about to my take profit. We're almost there. We're at $1,400 up on the day just with that one trade. And we're going to see if this wants to hit our take profit or not. And so in the meantime, I'm just going to take these upper bands, the lower bands off in the fill just to make it really easy. So VWAP, we're going to go ahead and make this red. And we'll give it a little bit of a bigger thickness so we know that's VWAP. And then boom. Okay, so for this trade on NVIDIA, it's going to say we're looking for 9 EMA cross above 21, NVIDIA cross above VWAP, and we get increasing volume. All right, so we still need this to make a nice little move higher before that ends up happening. The 9 is right here. We're going to see it cross. We need to see everything's going down. We got to see price move up if we want to get an entry on NVIDIA. But it looks like the market is wanting to go lower. You can see Amazon's pushing lower. And it's actually crazy that we're going to get close to my take profit right around here. And once that hits, I'm going to sell. It looks like it might do in a second here. I'm going to pull both these up, screen side by side. Make this a little bit smaller so we can kind of see both there. And see if we can get a nice little fill here. So let me actually just pull up these contracts, create a closing order, just like this. We're going to go ahead and just market sell. I'm not in the mood to get crazy with limits here. I'm just going to see if we can get a market sell here. Pull that up in case we do hit our take profit. We can move this down to about 50 right there. And we should see if we get a fill or not. NVIDIA, we're going to wait for that one to go on the move higher. Right now, guys, I just want this thing to go lower. I just want to take profit, lock in my gains. But it looks like it's going to have a little trouble, about 10 cents off. And we're going to see if price wants to go ahead and touch that and give us a nice, close to a $2,000 day, which is insane considering I have not put any thought process into this trade. It's all ChatGPT doing everything for me. So actually, SOUN is a trade I'm actually going to get out of. It actually hit my stop loss, so I'm going to sell these. Again, this is not related to this video at all, but everything's kind of happening at the same time, so I just want to get out of these. This was a solid trade. Overall down around, I think, what, lost $1,600 on that trade, $1,700, which is kind of crazy because Amazon made, ChatGPT just may fix the whole day. It may just turn me green on the whole day, which is really, really cool. If this ends up working out, I don't want to speak too soon. I don't want to do any of that. We're like literally 10 cents off. And guys, I can tell the FOMO is already getting to me. The emotions are getting to me. I just want to be able to sell. But I told myself I'm going to let ChatGPT trade for me. I'm going to let it do its thing. Actually, screw it. Let's do this. Amazon is 10 cents away from the sell take profit you gave me. Should I move my stop loss? Okay, I'm getting a little frisky here. I want to see if ChatGPT can freaking help me out here and at least lock in some gains. And for some reason, it's not letting me load right now. But we're gonna see if we can go ahead and clock that. It is a good idea to protect your profits. Move to break even. Yay. Okay. So trail below, so trailing stop loss, partial exit. Move your stop loss slightly into profit, 216.40. Okay, so we're gonna move our stop loss to 216. Wait, what? 216.40. We're not even at our take profit yet. Okay, it says if. Well, that was a recommendation. All right, see, ChatGPT is being weird. This is why you guys shouldn't actually use ChatGPT to make your trading device. Never ever do that. I'm just doing it for a video. It doesn't even know what the frick I'm talking about. But that's fine. Looks like we're gonna hit our take profit pretty soon here. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Should I get out partials? Should I get out partials? Let me see if it wants to get out some partials and give me a solid day. I'm getting frisky, guys. This is the emotional side of trading. A lot of people don't want to talk about. Obviously, I'm just doing it for fun and games. I'm just kind of exaggerating my emotions here. But I do want to get out of this trade. We're getting so close, 15 cents away. This thing needs to just get down there. NVIDIA is still on the downhill. We got to see the thing really wrap higher if we want to get an entry on it. So I may make some adjustments and see if I want to trade that, or maybe it's looking for a sell signal. But it looks like Amazon's getting very, very close to that take profit. We are just moments away from
netting close to $1,800, close to $2,000, which would be very, very exciting. So we're going to see if this can play out and Amazon can dump for us. Okay, it says take 50% of partials now. What I even tell this thing? Should I take out partials? Close to target. Take partials. Sell 50% of your position. All right, I'm going to do that. I don't care. ChatGPT told me to. I'm sure I messaged it to maybe finesse it a little bit, but you get the idea. So we're going to go ahead and sell about 10 of these. We're going to sell half, which is 50%. Just like that, locking these gains. Boom. We did it, boys. We did it. All right, we locked in, how much? I don't know exactly. Close to like $800, $900 on the day using ChatGPT. This is freaking insane. I'm so pumped for it. We're going to see if this thing goes a little bit lower, and we can lock in the rest, and then we can go ahead and go about our day. Or maybe we'll take another trade. I don't know. NVIDIA looks promising. Let me say NVIDIA looks weak. Should I short it? Question mark? Let's just see what it says. Let's see if it wants me to get in short. Confirm weakness, volume, strong selling pressure. RSI heading below. Whoa. VWAP. Breakdown bleed 134.81. We're already past that, so a little bit too fast. We are now 10 cents, literally 10 cents away from our take profit on Amazon. I just want to see this thing dump so I can get out of this. It looks like we're doing it right now. Let me go ahead and sell these in a second here. Boom! Take profit has been hit. I'm selling. I'm out. We're done. How much did I make? $1,900 on the day using ChatGPT. What the hell? This is insane. This was all done by ChatGPT. I mean, I guess there was like a little bit of an advantage of like me using technical analysis with it. It was looking for a breakdown below 218. If I can go back, find the original sell position here. If I can go back, find the original sell position here. It looks like right here. No, sorry, this is a VWAP one. Let me go ahead and go back to that. You can see sell opportunity set up if Amazon falls below 218.50 with strong volume. The entry price is 218.40. You can see I ended up getting in short actually as it came back and pulled back. So 218.50 is right here. You can see we broke it with strong volume right around here. If we go on a 5-minute, a little bit easier to see the increased volume right here. And if we go back, you can see stop loss is 219.60, which is right above the consolidation area, which is right around here. So that would be right there. That was our stop loss. Didn't even come close to it. We were in profit pretty much the whole time. Target price was 216.50, which is right there. Guys, it's actually crazy. We bounced right off our take profit. That's when we ended up selling. Now, we did get out some partials like a minute beforehand, right before, because I did go back and forth with it and say, hey, you know, I'm like 10 cents away. Let me take some freaking partials. And let me did that, which is great. But anyways, that's a sell opportunity we took. 1 to 2% of the account. We kind of went a little bit above that. I wasn't really using that for this specific trade. Obviously, you want to have good risk management when you're trading this. Nonetheless, it was all pretty good. And then, yeah, which option should I get? At the money or slightly out of the money? So it gave me the 220. For the sell scenarios, the 217.5 puts, which is exactly the ones I got, and then sell it when price targets 216.50 or if it begins to reverse. You see, we literally bounced off 216.50. It's exactly when I decided to get out. And you can see if I go to my orders, filled orders, you can see again, disregard this SOU. Got in at 68 cents, got out at 154 and 172. That's over a 100% gain using ChatGPT in 20 minutes. Sorry, 10 minutes. 10-minute trade, 100% gain, 958, 1008. We locked in $1,900 on the day using AI and ChatGPT. I'm mind blown. Now, I know I looked at another trade on NVIDIA, but listen, I want to take my gains. I want to walk away. I don't want to do this anymore. Now, will I continue doing this going forward? No, I think it was just a moment of luck with this trade, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend at all using AI or ChatGPT to make any trades for you. All the trades you make should be your decision and your execution, so do not rely on anything else for that. I simply did this for the video, and it's not typically how I trade. But I think it was fun. It was a cool experiment, and I think AI is getting to the point where it's getting closer to like understanding technical analysis, and it's cool how it did it in real time. It kind of knew support resistance. I wouldn't actually call this a good support line or this a good resistance line or a good stop loss, but that's what it wanted me to do, and it actually bottom ticked the take profit pretty good. We're already starting to reverse, so maybe there is some method to the magic. I don't know. But shout out ChatGPT, crushed it. Shout out my account being at least making me break even, or at least up like $130 on the day after taking the loss in SOUN. So very pumped about that. But nonetheless, hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is not financial advice, not use ChatGPT, but it was really, really exciting doing this. And if you guys are interested in learning more about like how I actually trade and how I specifically have my own strategy, my own edge that has around a 65% win rate, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can check out a free training video I made for you guys to learn that, because I don't typically trade off ChatGPT. But thought this was a cool video. Hope you guys enjoyed. I have a bunch of other cool videos on my channel. Feel free to check them out. Subscribe, leave a like. I'll see y'all in the next video.